Today I am reviewing the AVGPC QBox Series Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a compact yet powerful gaming PC, the AVGPC QBox Series is designed to deliver excellent performance for gamers, content creators, and anyone looking for a versatile desktop setup. At first glance, the sleek black chassis and compact form factor make it perfect for smaller spaces, while the internal components scream performance. At the heart of this system is the AMD Ryzen 5 5600GT processor, a 6-core CPU that reaches up to 4.6 GHz with max boost, unlocked for overclocking. This means whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on content creation, you have the power to handle multiple demanding tasks without stuttering or lag. The integrated AMD Radeon graphics ensures smooth visuals for everyday gaming, light 3D rendering, and even some esports titles at decent frame rates. Performance is further enhanced with 16GB DDR4 RAM running at 3200 MHz, providing seamless multitasking and smooth switching between applications. The 500GB SSD ensures fast boot times, speedy application launches, and quick game loading, making your overall experience noticeably snappier than traditional hard drives. The 120mm liquid cooling system keeps the CPU running at optimal temperatures, even under heavy load or long gaming sessions. This is complemented by a 550W PSU from a major brand, which not only powers the system efficiently, but also allows room for future upgrades, such as adding higher-end graphics cards or additional storage. Connectivity and usability are solid, with Windows 11 pre-installed, giving you the latest features, security updates, and a modern interface for both work and play. The system comes backed by a 1-year warranty and free lifetime support through AVGPC, providing peace of mind and assistance whenever needed. The QBox series is not just about raw power, it's also about practicality and style. Its compact size ensures it fits neatly on your desk, while still allowing for adequate airflow and cooling. For gamers looking to run popular titles like Fortnite, Call of Duty, Valorant, or Minecraft, this PC delivers stable FPS, crisp graphics, and smooth gameplay. Even if you're into content creation or productivity tasks, the Ryzen 5 and 16GB RAM combination can handle video editing, photo editing, and multitasking effortlessly. In summary, the AVGPC QBox Series Gaming PC offers a perfect balance between performance, cooling, and compact design. With its liquid-cooled Ryzen 5 CPU, integrated Radeon graphics, fast SSD storage, and 16GB RAM, it's an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers and creators who don't want to compromise on performance. For anyone seeking a reliable, upgradeable, and sleek gaming PC that can handle both work and play, the QBox Series is certainly worth considering.